Hi there, this is Corey. I'm at Porsche Colorado Springs, and behind me I've got an absolutely beautiful 2026 911 Carrera trimmed in Lugano Blue with a black heritage design interior and Pasha inserts. Let's take a closer look. Okay, what a gorgeous specimen of a 911. I adore Lugano Blue. It has to be my favorite blue right now. Lugano Blue is not a metallic, it is a gloss blue. Kind of reminds me of like a, I don't know, I feel like this would be painted on an old French car. It's so pretty. Lugano, apparently a lakeside city in Switzerland. That's what it's named after, in case anybody's wondering. I usually look it up to find out. This one's outfitted with the 20 and 21-inch wheels that have mostly painted surfaces, but the machined face, so it looks really attractive. Summer performance tires from Goodyear. We've got gloss black emblems here at the back, the Porsche logo and the 911 Carrera in gloss black. Deployable rear spoiler, body color, vertical grille slats. Looks really sharp. I like that they didn't do the exclusive taillights on this one. I like red taillights, and a lot of the cars I've been reviewing lately have the exclusive design, which is the clear taillight. I don't know, I just like the contrast. Anyway, what an attractive looking car. I mean, you got the iconic shape of the 911, in this absolutely fantastic color. Another thing I wanted to touch on, this car has the surround view camera. You can kind of tell that by looking at the front here. You'll see a camera. This also has the forward-facing radar, meaning it has adaptive cruise control with active lane keep. And we've got front and rear ultrasonic parking sensors to aid with parking. Really nice. Top line figures, so 388 horsepower, turbo flat six, or sorry, twin turbo flat six. 8-speed, I almost said Tiptronic, good grief, PDK automated manual transmission, absolutely the best in the business. We've got blind spot indicators here on the mirrors. Let's look at this interior, because this is really, I mean, the color is fantastic, and the interior just icing on the cake. So this has the exclusive Manufaktur heritage design interior in black with the Pasha inserts. Now, if you're not familiar with Pasha, this was a pattern that they used in 911s in the 1970s, and it's made a comeback, and it just looks so cool. You don't usually see this on the standard Carrera. I've pretty much only seen it on the 911 Spirit 70, which is a really special edition car. So I haven't seen too many cars spec'd with this interior, but it just looks so cool. And the quality of the leather surrounding the seats is fantastic. So higher grade leather than you would normally otherwise get. We've got nice black stitching throughout. We have the Porsche crest emblazoned on the headrest, and there's more leather than you would normally see as well. So upper door panel, armrest. I'm not entirely sure if this is leather, but it feels like a similar consistency to this handle, which I know is leather, so pretty sure that is too. We've got leather on these inserts here. These are normally, most people spec this in carbon fiber, which, okay, fine if that's what you like, but I like the leather here. It's really nice. We've got leather inserts here as well. Leather on the dashboard with the black stitching. Leather on these knee pads. Leather on the lower dash. So it's hard to see because there's not any stitching down here, but this panel is all leather. And then we've even got leather trimming the floor mats. I'm sorry, they're a little dirty here, but this is a nice material as well. So really, really cool. One of the things that you also have to select with this interior is the 18-way adaptive sport seats, which we call the sofas affectionately. And so you get lumbar, seat back, height rake fore and aft. These are your upper bolsters, move those in and out, lower bolsters in and out, and then this is your adjustable thigh extension. So super, super adjustable seat, all very comfortable. It's been optioned with the rear seat, which is of course a no-cost option. There's those Pasha inserts looking fantastic, and then there's some more leather back here on the rear panels in addition. This one is outfitted with a sunroof. It is a body color sunroof rather than the glass, but it does still tilt and open. Let's hop in here. Another thing I love about this car is it has the classic instrumentation, which old 356s and 911s have this green instrumentation, so I just love seeing it on this modern car, even though it has a full digital instrument cluster. This is all fully user configurable. They highlight it in green when you change over from one gauge to another, and you can move around and change all the information that you see on here. So you can kind of have a more traditional layout, or you can go the high-tech route, which is just neat. This one also has the Sport Chrono package, so you've got the Chrono clock and a Sport mode. Drive mode selector on the wheel here, along with the Sport response button. That gives you a little bit of extra oomph, I believe for 20 seconds if memory serves me. And then we can change our drive modes here from normal, Sport, Sport Plus, or wet mode. We've got a manual mode here on the PDK selector, and you can use these nice metal paddles to change gear on your own if you like. We've got heated seats. Oh, and I forgot to mention also, Porsche exclusive Manufaktur emblazoned on the leather center console armrest. Just super, super nice. I'm going to quickly touch on the, I think we call this PCM. So, but basically the infotainment system for 911 and all the modern Porsches is just fantastic. It's so easy to get along with. It's set up just like a smartphone or a tablet. So swipe, tap. You can rearrange icons to use the things you use most frequently, or sorry, put things you use most frequently up top here. Wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. It's got it all. It's great. Really love interacting with it. And then last but not least, the final thing I wanted to touch on in this interior, I just love this classic 911 emblem on the dashboard. It is just too cool. All right, that rounds out the interior. I'm going to take one more lap around the outside of this car. Let's just do one quick lap. I just can't resist how pretty this color is. Okay, once more, that's our 2026 911 Carrera in Lugano Blue. If you're interested in learning more about this car, please give me a call. My direct line is area code 719-219-5015. Please like the video, leave a comment below, and consider subscribing for more sports car content from Cars and Corey. Thanks for watching.